Flipping websites is a great way to make money online, and you don't need a lot of experience to get started. Here's how you can make $500 a week buying and selling websites. Step 1 is finding undervalued websites. Sites like Flippa and Empire Flippers are great places to find websites for sale. Look for sites that are underperforming but have potential. Maybe they need better SEO, more content, or modern design. Once you buy the site, the next step is to add value. This could mean improving the design, adding new content, or boosting traffic. You don't need to be a developer for this. There are plenty of freelancers on platforms like Upwork who can help with technical work for a low cost. Remember, you can always do it yourself using free online tools to improve the site metrics and refresh its look. After you finish polishing up your site, it's time to sell. You can list the site back on Flippa or Empire Flippers for higher price than you paid. The key is adding enough value to justify the increase in price. Some websites flip for double or even triple what they were bought for. With practice, you can start flipping multiple sites at once and easily make $500 or more each week. Tell us your site's flipping stories in the comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!